Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sasyakar, and hello everyone. One of the things that I miss the most in Pakistan is peri peri chicken from Nando's. One of the best chickens I've ever had, and even though Nando's has fluctuated in its quality quite a bit, I would still pay anything to eat something similar in the US. Since I can't do that, I'm going to make peri peri chicken with the peri peri marinade and the peri peri sauce myself. So let's go towards the ingredients. To make peri peri chicken, we first have to make the peri peri marinade. It's a really famous marinade. You can find the sauce in stores as well. I'm going to make the marinade for one chicken. The ingredients for the peri peri marinade are 1 onion, 6 garlic cloves, around 12 red chilies. If you want to make it more spicier, you can use around 20 red chilies. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 sprig of thyme. This is optional, you can skip it if you can't find it. 1 lemon's juice, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 cup of vinegar. We're going to blend all of this together to make our marinade. So let's start by adding all the ingredients. We're going to add our onions, black pepper, sugar, salt, olive oil, vinegar, paprika, juice of 1 lemon, sprig of thyme, garlic, and that's it. I'm going to blend all of this together and then we'll start preparing our chicken. Our peri peri marinade is ready. I'm going to take out the chicken and going to marinate it with this amazing sauce. Let me tell you something, this smells amazing. This is our chicken. We're just going to pat it dry with some paper towel. Now we're going to butterfly cut the chicken, and this is how we do that. You take a pair of kitchen scissors, grab the chicken from the middle and start cutting it. You turn it around, and this is how your chicken is supposed to look. So we're going to take this cooking tray. It has already some oil brushed on it. We're going to put the chicken on it like this, and we are going to pour our marinade on it, and I'm going to let it sit like this for around an hour at least, because it has vinegar, and vinegar marinates the chicken in 30 minutes. So I'm going to give it an hour. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat my oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Going to preheat the oven on 400 degrees. It takes around 13 to 15 minutes to do that, and then we are going to put our chicken in for around 30-40 minutes after the oven is preheated. Not recommended, but you can flip it midway. So it's right about time. Oh my god, look at the chicken. Apply some cooked marinade over it. Maximize our flavor. This is it. Our peri peri chicken is ready. It's really spicy. I'm spiced up. I hope you really liked this recipe. I'll see you soon with another recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for constant updates for new recipes and different types of vlogs. Until then, it's goodbye from me. Allah Hafiz.